Okay, so I'm going to be doing a recently unboxing. Leave that clip in there, man. It's cool. What is up, guys? This is Monteasy. Welcome back to another video for this week. If you guys saw my back to school tips, welcome back. I am doing a different video today. It is an unboxing video with shoes that I got for my new school year. Before I get into more deep into the video, I got this inspiration from Nate Shot. He's the creators of 100 Thieves, and he lives out here in LA. And I just watch his videos and his vlogs and all the other 100 Thieves creators. Yeah, so enjoy this rest of the video, and I'm just keep rambling, but enjoy this rest of the video of my first unboxing of my shoes. So enjoy. And these cars keep honking, man. I just want to jump out the window. Okay, so I've never been kind of like a show offer or a person that show offs their shoes on camera or in person. Well, everyone wears shoes in person, right? But I don't want to be like, oh, look at my shoes, this and that. But this is my first unboxing.
What are you doing, Naughty, with your dark clothes?
What, Mom? So my mom rudely interrupted me in my video. So first shoe box, I only got 2 boxes. Is the Nike Flex Experience Running 8. Okay, so basically what you do is just pop this bad boy open. You feel me? Ooh, the texture of the shoe, because I already checked them out already. Look at this. Whoa. You guys need a closer look than this.
$1 million baby, yeah, I had it all. To that day when I saw my mama's tears fall. Broken heart, should the devil really did me good. Skip school, I started smoking on that backwood. I prayed for better days until that paper came.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am super hyped, proud, excited for this pair. It's a pair of Nike Air Maxes to be exact. The Nike Air Maxes Okito.
Started smoking on that backwood. I prayed for better days until that paper came. Switch it up. Now that young boy self-made, drinking problems. My sister Shonda, she finally solved them. Auntie Creisha, I never see her, I probably need her. I remember dark days on that deathbed.
These are my babies. These are my first actual pair of Nike Air Maxes. You can rock with anything. And I just picked them up because I just felt I needed a pair of Nike Air Maxes for myself. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which one you guys liked more. The Nike... The Nike Flex Experience or the Nike Air Maxes running shoes, hunting shoes, dancing shoes, whichever's. Comment down below which ones you guys would like more. But hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Share with your friends if they are sneakerheads. Share with your friends if they are Nike fans with the shoes or they like the shoes. Because I'm wearing Nike right now. It's not a coincidence. It's a fact. Comment down below which shoes you would. Comment down below which shoes you would wear for the rest of your life, or which shoe brand you guys like more. Vans, Nikes, Jordans. Yeah, comment down below which shoe brand is your favorite. Nikes, Jordans, Vans, Pumas, Adidas, Nikes, and one shoes, no name brand shoes, Crocs, slippers, chanclas. These are comfortable chanclas to be exact. And make sure to follow my social medias. My Snapchat, my Twitter, my Instagram are all the same. They haven't changed a bit, except the followers. I need followers. Okay, peace.